Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and set up RustDesk software. So first thing is go to rustdesk.com and just simply select download over here right on their homepage. Now from here you will have multiple options. So I have Windows, so I will click on this one, exe 64-bit, and after that it will be automatically downloaded, and click the folder icon over here on the top right. Now, from here, just simply double click on the Rust desk. And now you should be able to have here the ID. So guys, pretty much over here, you should be able to see the ID. And you should be able to see the one-time password. And from here, you can provide the remote ID of another desktop. And from there, you should be able to connect with this computer. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.